Hello, Pipers. Smoking the Savinelli Bent Dublin Calabash. It's a dry system. And this year, the what's called at Savinelli P-lip, you see, but it's here like a line, not a dot, like it's Peterson. And there's also the extra room for the humidity. I smoke it with Captain Black mixed with Turkish tobacco. The name is Lika or something like this. Really very comfortable, this part here. It's really a dangler. You can sit without effort and pressure on your tooth the whole time. I want something to say about this dry system. I will show you afterwards also from Peterson, the Calabash with the P-dip and dry system. It is said that it's an invention from, it's accepted as an invention from Peterson. I think the P-lip also. Here's the S-lip, Savinelli lip, the others is Peterson lip. I think it's P-lip means Peterson lip. Or I guess. They say it is official an invention from Peterson, but I saw some pipes, other brands, other models, where the hole here, the drill to the chamber is given, and also a place here under the hole to the stem place. Naturally, the fluid accumulates there also. Why invention? Naturally, if you drill first a hole here and then a hole in the pipe, in the chamber, you have automatically here the system. I don't think that everyone drilled directly every time in the chambers, So, invention. Okay, the lip here can be, that is an invention. I don't know. I think, and comes to me that if the tobacco tastes better at Savinelli, the aroma develops better. A little bit, like 10%, it's not little, because here we have a line and not a dot, so you see, here, and thus the smoke comes out brighter and not pointy, so it develops, maybe, I don't know. It can be subjective as well. It's the first time you are confused how to smoke here, because of the stripe, but just go on smoking and it functions. Here's some form here, like agronomic form for the lip or for the tongue. You can attach the tongue here, but it's not a deal. I mean, it's anyway laying on your tongue, but you're reminded. So no tongue bite. Is it true? Due to this system, it said it's no more tongue bite, but I think the tongue bite comes not only to the direct draw on the tongue, not only this, because of this. It is because of the tobacco. It has some physical effect. It's spicy somehow. But it's true that the tongue bite is less if you smoke slowly, draw slowly, which normally should be, the smoking should be like this. It helps against tongue bite. If you draw softly, anyway, you can, and hold, let's say, normal lip here, your tongue under the stem, mouthpiece, and in your throat, you can prevent it also. Oh. Really thick walls here, which is important for me. It's my opinion. Lightweight. I don't know the measures, the numbers. I mean, here, okay, see better. I mean, my t-shirt doesn't allow me to see the pipes separate. It has not this form here at Savinelli, like calabash form, like at Peterson. It's not calabash, it's Dublin, and it looks more modern. The others looks like St. Nicholas is smoking. But anyway, I mean, this here looks not old-fashioned, not that much. It's event. And the golden implication here, Savinelli. dry system. Savinelli dry system. I'm never here Savinelli. Anyway, I'm never successful at showing this. And here's Savinelli written as well. I mean, do I like more bent or straight? I don't know. I have straight pipes. It depends. I mean, I like them very much, and this one, for example, this bend I like very much also. The hole, you must see the hole at the pipe if it's. I mean, if this would be straight, I don't know. But bent, full bent, looks old-fashioned, not modern. Turkish coffee. The coffee is from Arabica. Wonderful summer. Summer has begun. Not officially, but it's summer now. The good thing at Spent is you can see the burning. It gives you psychologically comfortableness, a joy, like you are before an fire in the night, And you can see it's burning better, how to, it's light up, where you are, light up. So nice applications. I forgot to say something. I don't remember. It gives you more comfortableness. And the straight pipes are more sporty, modern looking. I mean, if you remember in the childhood, the typical pipe, stereotype is curved, bent, somehow in the subconsciousness. It looks more comfortable, enjoying, and so. This pipe gives the taste of the tobacco, processes the taste, processes the tobacco burning really good, but it doesn't put something extra into it. maybe let's wait. It's English pipes that I have. Barling, for instance, it adds sweetness, processes it, caramelizes it, tobacco, and gives a sweetness. Even if you smoke non-flavored tobacco, straight tobacco, after a while, after roasting and toasting the tobacco in the chamber, I'm very happy. I made me a gift, a present for Father's Day. A German watch, Glashütte, Nomos Glashütte, not automatic, manual winding. I'm very happy to have this now. Handmade, everything in-house made. Not that expensive. Or handmade. Even handmade pipes are much more expensive than the normal ones. But it is handmade. You can discuss about this, what it brings or not. I mean, it's the master. It's not a master. It's handmade, not so good. Machinery guarantees somehow a certain quality. Produces machinery, something, a pipe or watch, but it's the master makes something, a pipe, a watch, and cares at each step if it's at the right place, functions properly, so then it's worthy. And at the end, what's the outcome? I measured now how accurate it runs. It's I aligned it with the atomic watch at 10 p.m. yesterday. We have now, and I looked at 5 p.m. so 19 hours, let's say 20 hours later, it runs 4 seconds behind only. So 5 seconds a day, that's good. You want to see? Who's that? What's called nephew? The son of my son. Huh? Ömer. Duman var oğlum ha, he smoke, he may not come. Duman var, sonra. Bye bye. Bye bye. So, for sure, at pipes, handmade pipes, they have something what makes the pipe unique. It's not that perfect shape somehow. For instance here, at this Ashton, you see, it's handmade. The shape, you know, it's not perfect. No, but handmade. It's one of its kind in the world. Nice. Okay. I wish to talk longer, but I don't want to bore you. You can switch off if you want. I will tell some stories maybe that I remember. So it's about this here. That is, I think, one of the, maybe the first. Moment. The first pipe after I began again smoking a couple of months ago, half a year, maybe 1 year yet now. I don't know. One of the first. I bought began again. I can recommend. I mean, they're overpriced. I bought a Barling English pipe, or let's say here, this is Ashton. First class, for me the best pipe, one of the best pipes. For 13,000 Turkish lira, and this here costs at the moment, let's see, sorry, like 9,000. I mean, Ashton, something at the same level or higher than Dunhill, and this costs 10, this 13. Overpriced. I mean, it's here in Turkey. Compare the prices. I recommend English pipes more. Buy solid one or two solid English pipes. Ashton. I mean, Dunhill is overpriced. Ashton or Barling instead of 3 or 4 other brands from Europe. I mean, I don't like to say this is better, that's not so good, you know. But I have no financial intentions, and so I say what I want. But I don't like people that compare this one, this is so, and this so, and so, and it's all my opinion. You can think Savinelli is chicker. Doesn't change the tobacco aroma, gives it original. But for sure, the material of Ashton is better. I mean, I smoked this like 8, 9, 10 times, and it's here the inside, if I wish it, it's still shiny. It's hard material, hardened. And look at this. That's shiny because of the nicotine. This because of the wood. I mean, I didn't clean up now, but see, places Okay. I mean, what is it? What it is? A matter of taste. Oh. As for the, what's the brand? Zippo, huh? The pipe insert. Here, this one, the hole here, that's the best system for pipe smoking. There's one weak point, but you can manage it. It's a beginning, you know. Why is this the best? You cannot burn the pipe rim. If you hold it, you don't move it. And it goes very deep. You can reach the bottom. And you cannot burn the rim. You don't need to make this and so on. And second, but the bad thing is it's the beginning. If it's full, it doesn't light up very well. Because the effect of the fire comes from your draw, and if you hold it so, you cannot attract the flame, the light. But if you make this, you can attract it, but the effective is not the effective distance. The effective distance for burning it is around, not direct at the fire. But you can manage it with draw strongly, so you can light it up slowly, but you need effort of drawing. For this I take a normal lighter and point directly at the beginning and smoke, and as soon as it burns a little bit, I use the temper, and then I can use this here, the zippo. I mean, you can do like this beginning. I think it's possible, but you can touch the rim. It's not so bad. Maybe I figure out, maybe there's some other ways. Maybe this, no, it gets hot. I think you got the point. Nice birdies. So, I don't want to bore you anymore. Let's keep the stories for other footage, for other episodes. And goodbye. Thank you.